SolidWorks provides a number of different methods to control the transparency of a face, feature, or body of a part. By launching the Color and Optics button and selecting this Extrude feature from the feature tree, I can change the transparency of the feature using this transparency setting. I'll choose to make the feature completely transparent. Now once the feature is transparent, the orientation of the part dictates what faces are selectable. For example, if I try to select the long, near face of the extrude while my cursor is here, I actually end up selecting right through the part and the inside face is selected. This same behavior happens when I try to select the front face and my cursor is over the top face of the block. Basically, anytime my cursor is over any solid geometry in the background, that solid geometry will be selected rather than the front face of the feature. One method to select the front face if there is a lot of solid geometry in the background is to use Select Other. To do this, right-click with your cursor and from the menu choose Select Other. A box appears with a list of all the entities that lie beneath the pointer. In this case, you can see the listing includes 3 faces and a body. To scroll through the list, use the Tab key on your keyboard or use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Each successive item in the list will highlight. You can also use your cursor to select the correct item in the box. The highlighted entity will be selected when you left-click with your mouse. This makes it easy to select hidden items. One last thing, the ability to select through a transparent face or feature is actually a SolidWorks setting. If you would like to make certain features or faces transparent but never need to select through them, you can change this setting. In the Systems option, uncheck Enable Selection through Transparency, which is checked by default. Now, I can no longer select through this feature. Anywhere I click on this long near face, that face will be selected, just as if it were not transparent.